Hey YouTube, Florida Stacker here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be filming my first video of my new YouTube channel dedicated to precious metal stacking and other forms of alternative investment. On this channel we'll look at a steady way for the working middle class, or even any class really, to begin building small amounts of wealth by disciplined savings, and we'll talk different strategies and different techniques and things. I don't have all the answers, but this is a way for us to all grow and learn together. So anyways, I'd like to start out my channel by talking a little bit about myself real quick. I'm a retired military officer recently, turning 40 years old here this year. I'm a father and a husband. Got some small kids, so if you hear some noise in the background, well, that's just life right now, and I love it. So I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission for financial freedom, and I've figured out at this point in my life that it's not just what you make, but what you can keep that really makes the difference. And so let's begin. All right, so I'll start out with my silver stack here first, and the bulk of my stack is in the American Silver Eagle, pictured here in the middle. For those of you that may be new to stacking precious metals, the Austrian Philharmonic, and the Canadian Maple Leaf. Now, I chose these coins for several different reasons. First, I live in America. I live here in the Sunshine State of Florida, and so the American Eagle, it's very liquid. It's easy to find. My local coin shop is a big fan of them. They tend to have a large inventory of American Eagles in stock at all times. The number 2 coin in my arsenal here is the Canadian Maple Leaf, and these are all 2019s. And the number 3, the Austrian Philharmonic. And I chose the Maple Leaf because of our proximity to Canada, as well as the liquidity of that coin. And the Canadian $5 denomination, and then the Austrian Philharmonic with the 1.5 euro denomination. They're about the same price as the Maple Leafs. A tube holds 20. Definitely an interesting coin. So let's take a quick look at these real quick, starting with the Philharmonic. Beautiful. I really like the way this coin feels. It doesn't have the reeded edges. It's very soft, very smooth, I should say. It's got a good weight to it for a smaller coin compared to the Eagle. I've been mostly stacking these through Texas Precious Metals. They've got the 2019s in stock for a good price, and they offer the free shipping for orders even under $100. So it's a good place to buy silver if you're looking to pick up, less than 5 ounces per month, so you can keep under $100. And here are the 2019 Silver American Eagle. I am on a mission to collect more of these this year. I've got a long way to go to reach my about 140 ounce stacking goal for the year. I'm sitting at about high 80s at the moment. And so I've got some room, got some things to do here before the end of the year, and mostly in these Silver American Eagles. And then last of my base stack is the Canadian Maple Leaf. It's a beautiful 2019 coin. Her Majesty pictured there. I really do like the way the Canadian Maple Leaf looks. It's a beautiful coin. So about 5 to 10% of my stack is also in what I consider to be high premium silver. I'm going to show you some of those. Picked these up recently. I really like these coins. These are the 1 ounce 2018 silver Britannia with the Oriental border. And 2018 was the first year for this coin. They do make a 19. I've yet to pick any of those up. But I really like these coins. You do pay a slightly higher premium for them over, you know, the other metals here in my stack. But this isn't just a way for me to accumulate and save wealth. It's also a hobby. It's also a strong interest of mine. I like the history behind the coins and getting to know more about their history, as well as building a collection. So the last silver coin that I have here to show you is just a basic proof. Not much. I've only been stacking for this year, so you know, not a huge silver stack. As mentioned, I've got about 85 ounces right now, with some more on the way. So now let's transition to the gold. The base of my gold stack, similar to my silver stack, is the gold American Eagle, and all of my gold is in 1/10 ounce size right now. As I started to dip my toe into the gold market this year, I found this size to be readily available and you know, more affordable for me to consistently build a stack over the weeks and months. So I've got 8 of these 1/10 ounce gold Eagles. Most of them came from JM Bullion, using their military discount program, so I can purchase these at the lowest current price available that they offer. It's a great program. And then I'm also really fond of this coin here, which is from the Royal Mint. It's another 1/10 ounce gold coin, and similar to the silver coin, it's a Britannia 2019. I do think it's just a very beautiful coin. Great detail. Put one there next to the silver. Beautiful coins. Another fan favorite, and one that I'm happy to have in my stack, having picked up a couple of these this year, is the Libertad from Mexico. Got 2 of these. Recently got in on the deal through Monument Metals. They had the best price on the 2019 1/10 ounce coins. And I also have this 2016 that I picked up earlier this year on eBay. Here's that 2019, fresh off the press. I don't suspect I'll have many of these. That you do pay a higher premium. I think I paid somewhere around $190 for this coin, so it's one of my most expensive in my collection. They do go for a lot more than that, so I'm not disappointed with my purchase. They're already selling in the 220 range on APMEX, JM Bullion, when gold was up a little higher last week. But anyways, moving along. My kids and I really like these coins too, and these gold coins are from Australia, from the Perth Mint. Got 2 of these as well, and probably 2 of the best gold purchases I've made, because I made both of these purchases off APMEX, and when they had the random date 1/10 ounce Australian kangaroo on sale. So the first one I received as a random date coin was this beautiful 2016 kangaroo with the shadow in the background. 999 fine. Perth Mint just makes beautiful coins. And then the second one I received was this coin here that actually has the date on the front. This is the last year that I have seen the date on the front of these Australian coins, and this random date coin I received is a 2009, and it's just as beautiful. Pure Australian here. can see the joey in the pouch of the kangaroo. Stars like on the Australian flag. Really good looking coin. So now altogether we've got about 85 ounces of silver. These tubes here, all full tubes. And 1.3 ounces of gold. I am trying to get to 1.5 ounces by the end of the year, and I'm going to make both of those eagles so that I can round out the year with 1 full ounce of 1/10 ounce American Eagles. And then as I head into 2020, I plan on going after the 1/4 ounce weights. So last but not least in the stack this year, got a great deal on these before prices started rising, and that is platinum. These platinum Britannias here, got 5 of them for 1/2 ounce. Very pretty coins. They look just like that gold coin, of course. I have one 2018, which was the first year for this size, and for 2019s, the premiums on these coins can get a little high, so I picked them up on a sale before platinum started to make a move up too, fortunately. But I would not say these are as good looking as the gold version, but still a pretty coin, and I'm happy to have a 1/2 ounce of platinum in the stack. So then maybe last but most important in my annual stack this year, cash. So if you decide to subscribe to my channel and follow my videos, you'll hear more about my wealth retention plan and how I've built wealth on a middle-class income, raising a family, and what I consider to be an expensive time where wages are increasing at a slower rate than the cost of living, and you know, stock market's heavily bloated and inflated, and there's a lot of economic uncertainty with Brexit and the Chinese trade negotiations. So I've been putting back behind a lot of cash. I bought these little capsules here for like 79 cents from Michaels. Not the coin capsules, but the cash capsules. And every paycheck, and I do get paid weekly, so I have smaller paychecks but more frequent, I like to purchase about 2 ounces of silver each paycheck, and I plan on purchasing at least 1/10 of an ounce of gold each month. Next year I'm going to try to step that up to where I can stack 2 ounces in 2020, 2.0 for 20, and try to reach maybe 200 ounces in silver. And I'd like to accompany that with about $2,500 in cash. I'd like to put about $50 away each paycheck. And I've had to dip into it a couple of times, but I tell you what, it's a great defense so that you don't have to dip into this. Lastly, I'd just like to get your opinion here. As you can see, I've got these nice decals. At least I feel they're very nice on my mint tubes here, as well as the On Fire Guy and JP's Corner tubes I've picked up for my fractional gold and 1 ounce silver coins. Let me know your opinion on them. It's something that my wife has showed me how to do, cut vinyl. So I designed these on my computer and cut them out to help organize and keep my stack looking in good shape, especially as it grows. It's a great way to keep it organized. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel. If you do decide to do so, I would like to continue doing this, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Florida Stacker, signing out.